Guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today is Sunday, so that means only one thing on my channel. If you don't know, Sundays are grocery holidays. So yes, grocery holidays, and today's grocery haul comes, the majority of it is from Lidl and then some of it is from Dunnes Stores. So a while ago I did a grocery challenge, and the outcome of that, I said that I was going to go to Lidl and Super Value to pick up the majority of our shopping. But I've just found the last 2 weeks in particular that Super Value don't have good dates on stuff sometimes, and sometimes they just don't have the stuff that I want. So I end up going to other places such as Dunnes Stores. So that's what I did. I also wanted to share with you my meal plan for the week. So I do mine on a Friday. So tonight we're going to have chicken goujons with baked potatoes and corn. So that's chicken fillets that I already have from our previous grocery haul. Then tomorrow, Saturday, we're going to have burgers, roast potatoes, and then some sort of veg with that. I am going to have dinner out on Sunday, because Sunday the 19th is my birthday. So we are going to go out somewhere for dinner. Monday, we're going to do a roast chicken. So it's either going to be a roast chicken dinner, like a proper roast chicken dinner, or it's going to be like just roast chicken with rolls. Then we're gonna do my roast pork line kind of slow cooker thing. I did a video on it a while ago and I'll have that linked in the description for you if you want to check that out. And then finally the chicken Kiev. So I also did a video on the chicken Kiev, which I'll have linked in the description, and that is till Wednesday. So then Thursday we usually eat out as well. We do eat out 2 days a week. So yeah. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what we've got. So in Dunnes Stores, I picked up the following today. The first are these Paxo golden breadcrumbs. I use these for my chicken Kievs and other things. So that's that. 2 of these Dolmayo stir-in sauces. If you've been watching for a while, you know that these are my absolute favorite. 2 of these because they were on special. For Ava, we picked up these goat's yogurts in strawberries and vanilla. Also for her, we picked up 1 goat's milk. I'm going to have to pick up more milk during the week because this only gets me till Sunday. So that's not really good because today is Friday. I picked up an Irish roast pork line for that slow cooker, and again the recipe of that is in the description. We're going to have the burgers one day, as I said, so I picked up the lean minced beef. Picked up some mushy peas. I'm going to try this. I tried the vanilla flavour of it last week and the vanilla was very overpowering, so I'm just going to give the mango a go. But it was pretty good, I have to say. And then I also just picked up this classic barbecue seasoning too. So everything you see here in Dunnes Stores today cost me $27.56. So this is one half of my little haul. The other half is still in the car. I need to go get it. But I just want to put this away because it's all the meats. So the first things I picked up were these packs of lean crumbed ham. So 2 packs of these. I then picked up a medium Irish chicken. And we'll either have this as a roast chicken dinner with potatoes and veg, or we'll have it on like a roll with onions and that sort of stuff. So we'll see what kind of takes us on the day. Then I picked up this Irish protein low fat milk. I actually picked up the wrong one, but I don't mind, it's just for me. This Irish mature red cheddar cheese. So some back bacon rashers. We then have some chicken breasts, fillets, a pack of our fave mint chocolate rounds. We then have some soft cheese. This is like a cream cheese that you can spread on bread, crackers, that sort of stuff. This is the light version of it. Some tomato passata. Some grated cheese here. So this is kind of like Parmesan cheese, although it's Grana Padano. Can't pronounce that. Some hand-tied sausages. And then the final thing here is some porridge oats. So these aren't actually for eating, and these are going to be for, I have been recommended via Instagram. My mom also sent me an article, and I've read some stuff about porridge oats being good for your skin if you put them in the bath. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a try with Ava, because her eczema comes and goes, and because we're getting nice weather now, we need to kind of be proactive in trying to prevent flares on her skin. So this is what these porridge oats are for. So now we get to the second half of this haul. So this is the second part of the haul. So first out are these 6-seeded burger buns. We then have some spring onions or green onions or scallions, whichever way you want to call them. These are one of their specials today. We have 3 bananas, because I still have some bananas in pretty good condition from last week. 12 free-range eggs. A net of oranges. We then have some peaches here. Some conference pears. Mixed seedless grapes. 2 of these strawberries. And then a red pepper. And an yellow pepper. So the total you can see was $71.05, except for this is not all food. I also bought some stuff for Ava that I saw. So the first out were these little sandals. They are really soft and padded in all of the right areas. These were $8.99, and these will just be for going around, no, like, not for nice dresses or anything like that. They'll just be for wear and tear, because the girl is really hard on her shoes. So we're gonna get a pair of really nice sandals, and then just sandals like this whenever we find ones that look really comfortable and cozy for her. Also picked up this pack of shorts. So these are 2 shorts. You can see there's like a patterned one and then like a denim type one. And as you can see here, it says they're 100% cotton, and that is exactly what we need for Ava. They're going to be breathable and comfortable, and her eczema shouldn't be an issue. It shouldn't grate on her eczema with these. So got a 2-pack of this. These are $4.99 for these 2 pairs of shorts. Also got 2 packs of these t-shirts that they had there. They're pretty much the same designs, they just have like a couple of variants. Each of these were $2.99 or $4.99, sorry. And again, they're 100% cotton girls t-shirts, and they are great. So you can see there's like a panda bear, a grey one with kind of like sayings on it, and then a one, you can see it down here, it's the big panda on it. Then we have this cool yellow color with donuts and pandas, just a plain pink one. And then the pink one says Donut Worry. Donut Worry is what it says. So again, it's 100% cotton, exactly what we need for Ava. They'll go perfectly with her shorts that I purchased and with the sandals, but I also have a whole range of other things that if it's not short weather, we have leggings. So that is included in the 71.05. So that is included. You can see here at the bottom, the last 4 items are her clothes there. So yeah, I'll have the price of just the food on the screen. So that is the little haul for today. Hey guys, that is today's little haul. I would like to know if you want me to do kind of like my like meals of the week or something like that, where I share with you what we're cooking, and then one of the dinners that we're doing, I'll kind of share a little bit more in depth of the prep, the cooking and the finished result of it. It's just something I've been thinking of. My grocery hauls go down really well, and they're really well received and well viewed compared to some of my other videos. So I was just kind of wondering if you would like me to kind of follow on with that and share with you the meals for the week and what they look like and what we actually eat. It will probably just be mainly dinners that I do. I'm going to try something and just eat leftovers or sandwiches for my lunch, because we don't really make good with the leftovers that we have, and we find that we make bigger portions because of that, because I know I'm going to throw it out. So yeah, let me know in the comments if that's something you are interested in, and if it is, I can start it sometime soon. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, give it a big old thumbs up. And I know I'm going to get comments, and yes, I did get my hair cut. I'm waiting for my sister to come after work and dye it. It's just going to be an all over color, because I've just found that when I put blonde highlights in my hair, it doesn't work. My hair doesn't like it. It dries out really bad and it gets knotted and matty, and that's like professional. Like, my sister is a professional hairdresser and she uses salon graded products and all that sort of stuff. My hair just can't deal with the blonde. So I'm just going to get an all over color just to kind of brighten it up. I actually don't really have very many grays, thankfully. So yeah, that is it guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.